Are you excluding social channels from your strategy? If so, you're missing countless opportunities for your business. To reach 50% of the world's population affordably and effectively, integrating social media into your digital strategy is crucial. Brands of all sizes can reap significant benefits from investing in social media strategies. According to a Statista report, about 3.6 billion people worldwide used social media in 2020, with this number expected to rise to around 4.41 billion by 2025. Revolutionize your transportation business's social media game with these expert strategies. From crafting compelling content to mastering social media advertising, we've got you covered. The internet is now a primary tool for promoting businesses and expanding market reach. Recognizing popular social media logos has become second nature to people, highlighting their importance in daily life. Utilizing social media to engage your audience is one of the fastest ways to enhance your business presence. Today, businesses of all types and sizes prioritize social media marketing as customers expect to interact with the brands they are interested in. Effective social media use can yield numerous advantages across various sectors, including transportation. It is a logical extension of a well-organized marketing strategy, and many have successfully leveraged social media's power. Social media advertising can significantly boost your business and provide a substantial return on investment. Thus, it's clear that social media marketing is capturing the attention of a significant portion of the global population. Role of social media in the business sector. Creating and developing your branded solution is just the beginning for any business. To truly thrive, you need to extend your online presence to social media channels. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are essential for maintaining a competitive edge. Ride-hailing brands without active social accounts are missing numerous marketing opportunities. Social media marketing, SMM, is vital for ride-hailing businesses to expand their customer base and reach a global market. Many brands use social media tools to attract targeted traffic, and these platforms are commonly used for social connections. The key roles of social media for various sectors include connecting businesses with their target audience, enhancing business marketing efforts, increasing brand value and recognition. SMM involves promoting a transportation business on various platforms, helping to boost sales and build brand authenticity. The number of social media users continues to grow. In 2018, there were 3.196 billion users, which increased by 9% to 3.48 billion active users. People use social channels primarily for informative content, although staying connected with friends and family is also a significant reason. As social media usage continues to rise, having an exceptional social media marketing strategy is crucial for standing out in a competitive market. Effective social media marketing relies on core pillars such as social strategy planning and publishing, listening and engagement analytics, and reporting advertising. For large-scale brands, social media is an ideal platform for boosting brand awareness. By developing a comprehensive social media strategy, you can significantly increase your brand's visibility, foster strong relationships with potential customers, and ensure effective customer communication. Social media statistics have deep insight into. The global social media penetration rate is estimated at 49%, with North America and East Asia leading the way. Brands can leverage various platforms to establish a strong business presence. Facebook, the most popular social network worldwide, has surpassed 1 billion monthly active users, reaching approximately 2.6 billion MAUs in 2020. Instagram, another major platform for video and image sharing, boasts over 1 billion monthly active users and recently reported 500 million daily active users for its Stories feature. Popular messaging apps such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and WeChat also serve as key social channels for online users. The potential of social networks is expanding rapidly, with user numbers and engagement increasing significantly. On average, internet users spend about 144 minutes per day on social networks. Promoting transportation businesses through social media advertising can effectively reach customers, providing valuable screen space to showcase various ride-hailing services. Social media marketing, how it benefits your online business. Utilizing social media marketing is an ideal approach to leverage social platforms for audience outreach, revenue generation, brand development, and various other objectives. To avoid pitfalls in social media marketing, brands must craft compelling content that resonates with their target audience. Moreover, it's crucial to monitor engagement rates consistently to facilitate ongoing enhancements. In today's fiercely competitive market, brands rely on social media to attract users to their brand. Therefore, social media content should be tailored and disseminated across various platforms to maximize user engagement, enhance trustworthiness, and brand recognition. The internet can be perilous, especially with the rise of e-commerce, which has turned it into a playground for hackers and scammers. According to the European Commission, approximately 56% of surveyed individuals have encountered some form of fraud or scam in recent years. As customers become more savvy about online privacy and security threats, they seek assurances of trustworthiness before engaging in transactions with unfamiliar businesses. More than 54% of social media users check out brands' social media pages. Therefore, establishing a presence for your transportation business on social networks can bolster your online visibility, foster organic growth, and project a consistent brand image that enhances customer trust. Ensure customer satisfaction. A key advantage of social media for brands is establishing a direct connection with their audience, enabling real-time communication. This presents both opportunities and challenges for transportation brands. The transportation industry can benefit from immediate feedback on various social platforms, allowing them to gauge customer sentiments, identify areas for improvement in their services, assess response times to inquiries, and more. It's imperative for transportation businesses to recognize the importance of effective engagement to capitalize on these opportunities. Tips to get started with social media marketing strategy. Today, approximately 7 out of 10 Americans engage with social media, representing a substantial increase from 2005's growth rate of 5%. Both fledgling startups and established transportation companies increasingly favor social media platforms to drive leads, boost sales, and achieve various other objectives. While utilizing social media for transportation brands might seem daunting due to the plethora of available platforms, it's now easier than ever to leverage these channels to connect with audiences and enhance brand visibility organically. Whether you're just starting out or already have an established social media presence, there's always room for enhancement. Each social platform caters to a distinct user base, necessitating tailored strategies for content curation and efficient social media exposure. By incorporating practical tips and tricks, you can optimize your marketing approach and maximize the potential of each social media platform. Define your social media marketing goal. Without specific targets, it's challenging to gauge progress or attain success. Understanding the importance of taking decisive action is crucial for achieving desired outcomes. Your social media marketing strategy should be anchored by clear, targeted goals that serve as the guiding force. When setting these objectives, consider the following. Be specific. Define your goals with precision, avoiding vague or ambiguous language. Set actionable goals. Ensure that your objectives are actionable, enabling you to take concrete steps towards their achievement. Ensure measurability. Your targeted goals should be quantifiable, allowing you to track progress and assess success effectively. Content curation. Bill Gates famously said, "Content is king," emphasizing its paramount importance. Andrea Freire adds another dimension by stating, "Our job is not to create content, it is to change the world of people who consume it." Crafting fresh content consistently for customer engagement can be challenging, but content curation offers a solution. Social media content posting involves sharing high-quality posts from various platforms, providing value to followers, and maintaining their interest effectively. Know everything about your targeted audience. You can have different goals for your ride-hailing business, but without the support of the audience, your social media strategy is in vain. Drawing the social media marketing strategy around the audience is a must. Your target audience helps you figure out everything, starting from choosing social media channels to every measure of content you have ever created. Grow your business with phenomenal social media marketing opportunity. As the owner of your transportation business, you have to choose what kind of social media strategy you need to support your business. The choice has tremendous implications for digital marketing strategies. A taxi brand is similar to the transportation business, and you can choose anything for growing your business. Thank you for joining us on this journey to elevate your transportation business through social media. Here's to your continued success. Happy strategizing.